What's the one thing your business absolutely can't live without in today's hyper-connected world? Is it your superstar sales team? Your groundbreaking product? Or perhaps reliable communication? Because let's be honest, without the ability to connect seamlessly with your customers, your team, and your partners, even the most brilliant ideas can fall flat. And that's where services like RingCentral promise to step in, offering a complete communication solution. They tout themselves as the all-in-one platform for phone, video, messaging, and contact center operations. Sounds fantastic, right? But here's the million-dollar question that many of you are asking. How reliable is RingCentral? Really? Can you genuinely entrust the lifeline of your business communication to them? Today, we're going to peel back the layers and take an objective look at RingCentral's reliability. We'll dive deep into what makes a communication platform reliable, examine RingCentral's track record, explore its strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately help you decide if it's the right fit for your business needs. This isn't about just reading off a spec sheet. It's about understanding the real-world implications of choosing a critical service like this. So, when we talk about reliability in the context of a communication platform, what are we truly referring to? It's more than just a vague concept. It boils down to several key pillars: uptime, call quality, security, and consistent customer support. First, let's talk about uptime. This is arguably the most critical factor. How often is the service actually available and functional? RingCentral, like many cloud-based providers, operates on a massive global infrastructure. They typically boast an impressive uptime guarantee, often around 99.999%, what's known as 5 nines. While this sounds incredibly high, it's worth noting that even 5 nines can translate to a few minutes of downtime per year. For most businesses, a few minutes might be acceptable, but for mission-critical operations, every second counts. RingCentral generally has a strong track record here, with outages being relatively rare and usually well communicated when they do occur. They invest heavily in redundancy and disaster recovery protocols to minimize service interruptions. Next up, call quality. What's the point of having a service if your calls are constantly dropping, echoing, or sounding like you're talking through a tin can? Call quality is influenced by a myriad of factors, including your own internet connection, but a reliable provider will ensure their infrastructure doesn't introduce additional problems. RingCentral utilizes advanced codecs and quality of service (QoS) mechanisms to prioritize voice and video traffic, aiming for crystal clear communication. User reviews on call quality are generally positive, though isolated incidents of poor quality can often be traced back to local network issues rather than RingCentral's core service. They also offer robust analytics to help businesses identify and troubleshoot potential network bottlenecks on their end. Then there's security. In an age where data breaches are a constant threat, how secure is your communication? RingCentral employs robust security measures, including end-to-end encryption for calls and messages, data center security, and compliance with various industry standards like HIPAA and GDPR. They understand that sensitive business conversations need to remain private. Their commitment to security is a significant factor in their reliability, as a breach could not only disrupt communication but also damage a company's reputation and lead to regulatory penalties. They regularly undergo third-party security audits and maintain a comprehensive security posture. Finally, consistent customer support. No matter how robust a system is, issues will inevitably arise. How quickly and effectively can you get help when you need it? RingCentral offers multiple support channels, including phone, chat, and an extensive online knowledge base. Their enterprise-level clients often benefit from dedicated account managers and prioritized support. User experiences with customer support can vary, as is common with any large service provider, but the general consensus is that they are responsive, particularly for critical issues. Having reliable support is crucial for maintaining business continuity when problems crop up. So, how does RingCentral stack up across these pillars? When you scour through independent reviews, industry reports, and user testimonials, a consistent picture emerges. RingCentral is widely regarded as a highly reliable communication platform. They are a leader in the UCaaS, Unified Communications as a Service space, and you don't get to that position without a strong emphasis on service stability. However, it's not without its nuances. Some common feedback points to consider include complexity. For smaller businesses with very basic needs, the sheer breadth of features offered by RingCentral can sometimes feel overwhelming. While powerful, it might require a bit of a learning curve to fully utilize everything. Cost. While offering significant value, RingCentral can be a more premium option compared to some bare-bones VoIP providers. Businesses need to weigh the comprehensive feature set against their budget. Internet dependency. Like all cloud-based communication services, RingCentral's performance is ultimately tied to the quality of your internet connection. A poor local internet connection will inevitably lead to poor service, regardless of how reliable RingCentral's own infrastructure is. This isn't a flaw of RingCentral, but a fundamental reality of cloud communications. Despite these points, the overwhelming evidence points to RingCentral being a very reliable choice for businesses of all sizes, from small and medium-sized enterprises to large corporations. Their continued investment in infrastructure, security, and feature development underscores their commitment to providing a stable and robust communication solution. They offer a scalable platform that can grow with your business, ensuring that your communication needs are met now and in the future. Their continuous updates and new feature rollouts also demonstrate their dedication to staying at the forefront of communication technology. Ultimately, the decision of whether RingCentral is reliable enough for your business depends on your specific requirements and risk tolerance. If you demand high uptime, excellent call quality, strong security, and comprehensive features from your communication platform, then RingCentral certainly deserves a top spot on your shortlist. It's a robust, feature-rich, and generally very stable platform that many businesses rely on daily for their critical communications. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.